However, concerns about their environmental impact and potential health risks have led to an increased interest in natural alternatives. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly pest control methods, leading to the development of natural pesticides. In this article, we explore the future of pest control and the role of natural pesticides. Natural pesticides are derived from naturally occurring substances such as plants, microorganisms, and minerals. They are considered to be safer and more sustainable alternatives to synthetic pesticides, as they are less toxic to humans and the environment. Natural pesticides also have the potential to reduce the development of pesticide-resistant pests, which is a major problem with synthetic pesticides. One of the most promising areas of research in natural pesticides is the use of plant-based compounds. Many plants have evolved to produce natural compounds that are toxic to pests, as a means of protecting themselves from predation. These compounds can be extracted and used as natural pesticides, offering a highly targeted and effective method of pest control. One example of a plant-based natural pesticide is pyrethrum, which is derived from the flowers of the pyrethrum daisy. Pyrethrum is a highly effective insecticide that is widely used in organic farming. Another example is neem, which is derived from the neem tree and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and pest control. Neem has been shown to be effective against a wide range of pests, including insects, mites, and nematodes. Another promising area of research in natural pesticides is the use of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These microorganisms can be engineered to produce specific compounds that are toxic to pests but harmless to humans and the environment. This approach has several advantages over traditional methods of natural pesticide production, including faster production times, lower costs, and greater consistency in product quality. Biotechnology also has the potential to revolutionize pest control by enabling the production of highly targeted and effective natural pesticides. This involves the genetic modification of plants or microorganisms to produce specific compounds that are toxic to pests. Biotechnology has the potential to greatly improve the efficacy and safety of natural pesticides, and is a promising area of future research. In addition to the development of new natural pesticides, there is also a growing interest in integrated pest management, IPM, strategies. IPM involves the use of a combination of pest control methods, including natural pesticides, to manage pest populations in a sustainable and environmentally friendly way. IPM strategies aim to reduce the use of synthetic pesticides and promote the use of natural alternatives. Challenges and opportunities in the use of natural pesticides. While the use of natural pesticides offers many advantages over synthetic pesticides, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the lack of availability of natural pesticides. Natural pesticides are often produced on a small scale, making them more expensive and less readily available than synthetic pesticides. This can make it difficult for farmers to access and use natural pesticides in their pest control programs. Another challenge is the lack of standardization in the production and use of natural pesticides. Natural pesticides are often produced using traditional methods, which can lead to variability in product quality and efficacy. In addition, there is often a lack of regulatory oversight in the production and use of natural pesticides, which can lead to safety and efficacy concerns.